buddy here, Big Poppers. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Oh, crazy. Anyhow, yeah. Anyhow, just a beautiful array of cars. Welcome to the channel. This is Neighbor Rich, and I'm excited about today's adventures of Neighbor Rich. Today, we are going to be having a lot of fun at Inshane Designs. They are having their open house. It's the first one I think they've ever had. And they've really got a lot of really cool cars. They're going to do a burnout session. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm getting together with my next door neighbor, Mike, Street Speed 717, and we're going to head over to Inshane to see what kinds of adventures and trouble we can get into today. I just heard my Uber driver start up his TRX. So I think with that, we'll head over with his amazing looking truck. Hey, good morning, bro.
What's up, man?
Hey, I'm excited. Are you excited?
This is gonna be crazy.
This is gonna be insane. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
I don't know if they thought this through. I feel like we're gonna roll up and this is gonna be nuts. But it's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be fun.
Time.
Yeah, that's the most important.
Yep,
so,
I'm ready.
Love the truck, love the design.
Hell yeah.
Really cool.
She's pretty sweet.
She is sweet. All right, well, let's have some fun, man.
All right, man. Let's go.
Yeah. We're here at the Inshane Designs open house, and I'll tell you what, they got the building all set up, and we've got all kinds of cars and things, just a bunch of C8s right here. Morning, guys. Morning. Morning, morning. Nice family from North Carolina. Hey, guys, how you doing? And so, hi, morning, morning, morning. Philly Eagles, yes, love it. Hey, guys, you guys look like you're cold. What's going on, man? It's just, things are just heating up.
Oh, I know, it is heating up. Look at it, it's getting crazy already. What's that?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
We got something coming in. So, there's my buddy Dono. Hey, man. How's it going? Hey. So, there's Matt, Shane. Hey, Jess, how you doing? Hey, hey, hey. So, having a lot of fun, doing good things. How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Good morning, morning. And what kind of event would this be if we didn't have a few food trucks? It looks like we're going to get smoked, but we're going to get smoked in more than one way, that's for sure. They're going to be doing some crazy burnouts, and I'm going to tell you this right now. Mike is a burnout king. I am not going to try to compete with that. You know, I said, you know, honestly, I might try it sometime, but it's not going to be today. So anyhow, we have just a lot of things going on and a lot of really cool events. People coming in with beautiful cars. There's a GTR you're going to get a chance to look at. Look at that engine. They are amazing cars. Hey, how you doing? Good.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Here's always trouble with these guys. This is always trouble. No question about it. So, oh, we're just getting started here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. These cars are pulling in. There's Amadeo. How you doing, man?
How are you, sir?
Good, good. Look at this, look at this, look at this. And here's my buddy Jared. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you this morning.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Excited about this?
I am.
This is going to be fun.
Stop working.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I hate when that happens.
Dude, listen to the sound of that thing.
That sounds awesome. And it's a 3, too. I wonder what the heck he's done to that to make it sound like that. It's pretty incredible. So anyhow, things are just getting started here. It's still about a half an hour before this event even really starts. So this is going to be a lot of fun, and looking forward to seeing the rest of this day unfold. We're continuing to do the what I would call the pre-open cars, and the cars are still pulling in. It's a beautiful Lamborghini. Here's a Dodge Viper, GTS. More and more cars are just pouring in. This is gonna be one crazy day. There's a couple of guys here, a little wild, man. They got like wigs. Look at this, yeah, yeah, yeah. And so, what do you think? Look at the wigs. Yeah, it's like, dude, man, he's looking fat, dude. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
With my ice caramel latte.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, heck yeah. This is crazy. You guys are nuts. I might need to borrow those wigs later, you know what I mean? It's like you never know.
You got it.
Yeah, all right. So of course you got to have a coffee truck. I mean, this is critical that you have that. And then, you got the other side of this where, this is Shane's Z06, which is like an insane car. That is so fast, that car. And they're starting to line cars up over on this side. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, man. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, just taking a look down through some of the cars. And of course, it's still close to Halloween, and so you always have to have a skeleton or two just hanging around in the closet. And the cars keep rolling in. Here's a nice 50th anniversary. Really pretty. Always like those. And of course, over here you have my old friend from Wolfpack Rides. It's the Helinator. How you doing? And look at that, man. It's just glistening in the sun there with that crazy blower. This is just going to be wild. Here we've got Cole, and Cole's got his little buddy here, Big Poppers. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Oh, that's your attack dog, isn't it?
It's my guard dog. My bodyguard.
Your bodyguard.
Just carries it around everywhere.
Carries it around wherever he goes. That's it.
Don't make him pull it out.
Yeah, right. I'm like, no.
Yeah, I've seen him unleash that thing before. It gets vicious.
It's nasty. Yeah. One of the things Mike said he was going to do is start up his Lamborghini. Oh my gosh. Smoking it out. Well, the asphalt is actually still on fire from Mike's burnout, but now we've got a Jeep that's going to be doing a burnout here. Looks like he's 570. That was an incredible burnout, and I'm like breathing smoke. I don't even know that I could stand there a whole lot longer. That's just crazy. These guys were like eating asphalt. Yeah, I know, it's like crazy. Anyhow, yeah. Anyhow, just a beautiful array of cars. So much fun. I'm sorry if you couldn't make it here. This was really a great event. One of the reasons the event is here is because of these little furry friends right here, our little canine buddies, and you guys do an awesome job, and thank you so much for what you do.
Thank you.
Yep. That's awesome. This was one crazy day, and I'll tell you, the line, even though we're officially done, is still not dying down. But we had a lot of fun. This was an awesome event, and I really hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I like to leave you with something positive. And it was Dolly Parton that once said, if you don't like the road you're walking on, start paving a new one. And so I really encourage you to just hang in there, do your best, and if you're not happy on that road, it's time to start paving your own. Take care. This is Neighbor Rich, and I'll see you in the next one.
I heard you being the third. I didn't know if you got into God, I mean, I didn't even realize that.